This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Rita Schlotman. This home has a very nice layout. 2 bedrooms, and full bath on the main floor. Lower level has laundry, a third non-conforming bedroom, a 3/4 bath and a large cedar closet. Hardwood floors. Plumbing has been updated to PEX lines. Fenced yard. Paved off-street parking in the back of the home. Singlr stall attached garage parking. For more information, review the details below or contact Rita Schlotman at 712-255-7310.